So you probably clicked on this video because you are broke. Or sorry, I don't mean any disrespect though, but you might be broke. I am broke also, but not broke, okay? So I'm going to share with you why you are broke and how to fix it. The first reason why you are broke is because you have an entitlement mindset. You believe that people should just bring their money to you. You believe that wealth grows in trees. You believe that you don't deserve to do any effort. You really just believe that maybe, okay, probably from when you were growing up, you always everything was always handed to you over in the silver plates. Everybody, you have guards, you have maids, you have people that just come and give you free food and everything. But then as you grow up, you begin to see that the reality is different, and the marketplace only rewards you for your value. And that's when your whole dreams of everything begins to shatter. The illusion is now breaking apart. And I don't want you to reach that point in your life. That's why I want to share with you why you are broke and how to fix it. The first reason why you are broke is because you are not so valuable. Okay. And when I mean valuable, I don't mean valuable to your mother or to your father or to your brothers. Of course, you can be the best brother, you could be the most sweet son, you could be the most handsome cousin, okay? But that is not what the world rewards. I'm talking about the marketplace. How valuable are you? What I mean by valuable, what can you offer? What services can you do? What job, what skill do you have that someone is willing to pay you for to do? And then something that's going to help you to become more valuable is how many people can do this skill and how much better are you than the people that can do this skill. So that's the reason why you are broke, because you've not understood this concept. You've not understood that this is one thing that's holding you back. Okay, your mindset might be a mindset of thinking that you should be entitled to many things. Of course, if you're over 20 years, or once you reach 20 years, this is a very critical point in your life where you have to begin to think well. Even if you're not yet 20, okay, as you're getting closer to 20, it's a time in your life that must begin to think for yourself. You must begin to say, what can I do? What should I do? What strategies can I think about? What can I learn from other successful people? And what must I do to help myself so that I can change myself from being broke to successful to rich? And then how are you going to fix it? The first way for you to alter your mindset of entitlement, of believing that people should just come and give you money or people should just come and help you and do this for you, is to shatter that illusion. And to shatter that illusion, you need to face the reality. Because the thing is that you cannot drive in a packed car. You must get out there and face a little bit of frustration. I'm not saying hardship. I'm not saying that you must go and forfeit all that you have, okay? I'm saying that you must face a little bit of frustration by putting yourself to the hard work. And by the hard work, I mean that you must learn from mentors. Even if you now might not have a mentors, well, I want you to know that the books that you read, the music that you listen to, the movies that you watch and you consume, these things that you consume are the things that shape your mindset. And as a young man, the first way for you to conquer this illusion is by going to the gym. Okay, finding a way to join a fitness class or something like that, something that beats the discipline out of you, something that beats the stubbornness out of you and wants to shred your body into someone that is meant for greatness. Okay, because if you can conquer your body, you can conquer your mind. And so, my friends, this is just it. You must shatter the illusion of entitlement and know that the world rewards you for your value, not for your fine face or for your fine or whatever it is that you think about yourself. You must find a way to increase your value, learn new skills, soft skills, hard skills. You must know that success means that you must deal with people. The money that you want is in the hands of people. And the more you can get more valuable that they can trust you, the more money that you can make. And I hope that this makes sense to you. And I'll see you in the next one.